I'm Julie of Jaybird Quilts, and I'm excited to introduce you to the latest product I've developed for making Jaybird Quilts patterns, the Jaybird Quilts Fussy Cut Shapes. The Fussy Cut Shapes pack includes 6 pieces that will cut 5 different shapes. Here's what you'll find inside: 4.5-inch half triangle, 4.5-inch hexagon, 2.5-inch half triangle, 4.5-inch half hexagon, 2.5-inch diamond, and a 2.5-inch 60-degree triangle. Each shape has a 1/4-inch gray edge to define the seam allowance, which enables you to focus on the interior space of the shape and know exactly what will appear in the finished piece. Most shapes have centered crosshairs to aid in positioning an image within the shape. Each shape also has blunted points for easy piecing alignment. These fussy cut shapes can be used to make a variety of Jaybird Quilts patterns. Cutting direction videos are available for each shape that will help you get the most use out of your fussy cut shapes. I'm excited to feature these fussy cut shapes in upcoming sew-alongs to help you put your favorite fabrics to use in ways you may not have imagined or thought of before. Fussy cut shapes are available now. Ask for them at your local quilt shop and at your favorite independent online quilt shops.